Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can add images in Davinci Resolve 18. To do that, first open your Davinci Resolve. Now we have to add an image in our timeline. To do that, import your image. To import, press Ctrl+I on your keyboard and select the image you want to import. Here, as you can see, we have imported our image. Now drag this to our timeline, and here as you can see our image is added to our timeline. We can change its duration according to our liking and change its properties, and this is the easiest method through which you can add images in Davinci Resolve 18. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in our next video.